In the wintertime, well, you know, like we live in Tampa, so like the wintertime here is not really like winter. You know, everything just kind of goes dormant for a little while. We continue to sprout seeds in the wintertime. It may have a less germination rate, but we continue to sprout seeds in the winter. We maybe get like maybe 50% sprouts in the wintertime. And in the summertime, we're getting like, you know, 90% sprouts. So do we pot up trees in the winter? We try not to like touch any of the trees in the wintertime. We're just kind of cutting them back. We're just popping the tops off in the wintertime. We're cutting all the trees really short for the wintertime. We're preparing it for the winter. And I have information about that in the free book here that you can download for free, a new ebook at newmanursery.com. You can get more information about kind of like the steps and learn about how we prepare the moringa trees for wintertime. Where are you? Where are you, Let It Tree? Where are you? What area are you in? You know, in the winter, Colorado or, you know, Wyoming, you know, Nebraska. We have a lady that's getting some seeds right now. She's got a plot of land in Nebraska, and she's going to start growing moringa trees this summer. Oh yeah, we've got lots of interested growers in all around the country right now. They're getting their land and their soil tested.